Hello everyone, welcome to Susa Info. Do you remember your favorite movie when you were 8? If you watched the movie that you liked the most, then you will never forget the name and story of that movie. This is because you are interested in that movie. You want to know its story, either it ends well or ends with some twist. Similarly, if you study with full interest and concentration, then obviously you will understand what you read. But if you study without interest, your mind might go somewhere else which is out of topic while studying, and you remember nothing even after you finish reading your book. So focus is very important while studying. In this video, we have mentioned some tips to remember what you have studied. Number 1. Try to understand what you learn. Always try to understand the meaning of the words what you read. Don't just read to cover the syllabus for exams or tests only. If you do so, you will forget everything after some time, and you need to repeat it again. You should understand what you read in the book, then you can elaborate the things very easily. But when you read just to cover syllabus, you'll just copy-paste the words and sentence from the book, or you might forget the things that you just read. So, read to understand the meaning of the words and sentence. Try to understand the lesson that a book wants to deliver, which would be helpful for life. Number 2. Make up story. Another tip to remember what you have studied is by making a story. If you have to remember your syllabus, then you can read it by making an imaginary story that would help you to remember faster. Let's say you are studying about a market, and you make a story like you went to a market and bought something you needed. That means buying and selling activity is known as market. So it's easier to remember things by making a story. Number 3. Build your mind place. To remember theories you have just read, build your own mind place. Just apply the theory into practice. When your topic is biology and you have to learn the life cycle of the plant, then you can plant any seed in your garden or in a room if possible to see how it grows. In this way, you can visit regularly and see its life cycle, how it grows bigger. This helps you to remember the minor changes too. Number 4. Teach someone or interact with friends. The more you share, the more you learn. You can share your knowledge and ideas with your friends or any group who are not able to understand the same thing you have been reading. It helps you to revise and also helps you to improve and correct the things that you have missed to deliver. This also builds your creativity to deliver things with your own process and techniques. Last but not the least, number 5. Revision is compulsory. We don't remember the normal things and normal routines, right? There should be something special to be remembered, like your friend's birthday party. So this is revised and repeated every year that made you remember the birth date. Likewise, if you revise your syllabus time to time, you won't forget what you read. After revision, even with a simple clue, you can remember the whole story. So revision is compulsory to remember what you studied. These are the tips that would help you to remember what you study. If you forget the things you did in your past, then don't worry. You got to learn new things in present and future. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to give feedback in the comment section below.